Welcome to a distinctly different design school experience. Community engaged, performance driven, entrepreneurial, impact oriented, and future focused. We are training leaders to become catalysts for positive local and global change so that you can learn how to develop solutions to help solve some of the world's great problems.
Even me?
Really? Yes, definitely you. Through challenge-based learning, collaborations with industry, building and prototyping solutions, we are expanding the idea of what it means to be a designer. With bold thinking for the built environment, for sustainability, for equity, for health, for vibrancy, cities made for people and the good of the planet. It's not going to be easy, but you can make change happen. You can change the world. You can create the future of city building.